Hello everyone, I just wanted to go over a few vehicles we have here on the lot at our Green Bay Byrider location. This vehicle right here is a 2017 GMC Terrain. So if you're looking for something to get you through winter, something with good heat, lots of space, this may just be the vehicle for you. Large back seat, Bluetooth radio, dual heating and cooling. But the best thing about this vehicle is its remote start. And we'll get out and show you that. So a quick and easy startup for those cold winter days that are approaching us. Here at Byrider, we also offer in-house financing. So the same day that we get you in here and get that approval is the same day that we get you driving. So come on down. Our address is 2805 Ramada Way, Green Bay. If you'd like to give us a call, our phone number is 920-455-7788. We'll take a quick walk around the vehicle too, just so you guys can see everything. Take a quick peek at the trunk. So lots of trunk space back here. Very spacious and very nice vehicle. So again, come on down to 805 Ramada Way, Green Bay. Phone number is 920-455-7788. Our featured vehicle for this week is our 2012 Ford Explorer. This vehicle comes with Bluetooth radio, dual heating and cooling, and it is perfect for our larger families as it comes with third row seating. So if you're a large family, a lot of kids to drop off at school, this may just be the perfect vehicle for you. Let's take a look outside. A very clean vehicle. Take a peek at the trunk. So pretty decent trunk space for a third row vehicle. And then it's also going to come with that backup camera as well. All of our vehicles also come with a 4-year, 48,000 mile limited warranty. So your vehicle is going to be covered for the entire duration of your loan. So come on down, check us out. We are located at 2805 Ramada Way in Green Bay. All right, so our featured vehicle of the week is our 2013 Hyundai Santa Fe. This vehicle comes with leather seats, heated leather seats. This vehicle is also push start. Plenty of space in here, so if you're looking for something a little bit bigger to fit the whole family in, this may just be the vehicle for you. We'll go take a look at the trunk. Plenty of space back here as well. So come on down to Byrider Green Bay. Let's fill out this application and let's get you driving.